Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am drawing this portrait of Sam Elliott sir, and I am using a charcoal stick. This is not willow charcoal, this is compressed charcoal stick. This is from Ponte Paris brand. So I'm just trying to figure out the shapes of the portrait. You can also try with me. As the portrait is in black and white, so I thought it would be great if I draw this with charcoal, because there are some portions in the portrait which are totally black. So I'm just trying to figure out the shapes in freehand. I request everybody to draw freehand. Do not rely on grid method or any other method. Try to draw, look and draw, watch and draw, watch the portrait and try to draw in freehand. If you can draw in freehand, you can draw in anywhere. Okay, if someone standing near you, you can draw them in freehand easily. There you don't have the time for drawing grid, or don't have the facility to draw the grids. So try to draw in freehand. So I'm just trying to draw the eyes. Now I am using a charcoal pencil. This is from Camlin brand. Camel brand, Indian brand. So I hasten the video a little bit in 1.5x, because if I give the full length video, it will be around 1 hour. So, and now this is a woodless charcoal. It is good for shading, so I'm doing the shading with the woodless charcoal. This is HB grade, so it's good for shading. I'm just trying to find out the dark part. Again I am come back to charcoal pencil. If you like my work, please comment so that I can get energy to draw more for you. And if you want time to time tutorial, please comment. Then I will give the time to time real time tutorial, but that will be around 1 hour, nearly 1 hour tutorial. So if you wish, then comment. Now I am taking the charcoal stick again. This is 6B grade. Again, this is from Ponte Paris brand. So I have the 2 grade Ponte Paris charcoal. This is compressed charcoal, and the first one which I was using was of HB grade, and now this is 4B grade charcoal stick. It is good for drawing large portions where dark results you want. So look at the hair. Hairstyle is very beautiful. Watch till the end for the final result. And if you like it, then consider subscribe my channel and for future videos. And if you like it, then please press the like button. If you want to learn from me, then comment, then I will give the full length tutorial so that you can learn. There are many videos in my channel which are of full length, so you can also watch them. These are very useful for drawing portraits, and if you wish to draw portraits, then follow me and watch my full tutorial. Okay, so my portrait is nearly complete. Comment if you like it. And these charcoals are very useful for larger portions, and you can create some magical effect with these charcoals. Woodless charcoal or compressed charcoal stick or willow charcoal. I always use willow charcoal, but in this video I'm not using it. I'm using a compressed charcoal. All are compressed charcoal. So thank you for watching. Thank you everyone, and please comment so that I can do a better job next time. So thank you, bye bye.